Kidbox today, and my mom is recording me. So I'm just gonna start with the clothes before I do the fries.
What does your note say?
My new series. It's actually. I'm not reading all of that. Alright. Let's open this. I have a fidget spinner.
No way.
I have crayons. And I got there some other papers. So guys, if you want a fidget spinner for free, ask your mom to buy a Kidbox.
Oh, can I say something to the video, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and
I'm gonna get a Kidbox tomorrow.
Coupon.
A coupon.
Right, just set it down.
Poupon. A poupon. Yeah, it's called a poupon.
You don't have a note in there?
Nope.
Nope.
It should be. Yeah, open that up. There should be a note in there.
Oh yeah, here's all the stuff I got. Well, there's not much.
Yeah.
All right, why don't you show us what you got in your box?
And then you can show us what your clothes.
Here, move your box so we can see, okay?
Yep.
Or just throw it.
All right, I have.
Shh. Michael.
I have. Where's Mom? Oh.
What is this?
Don't cut the shirt. Here, put the knife down, love. Put the knife down.
All right, I have a neat shirt.
Michael, I need your help. What? I need your help.
Nice.
Hold on.
All right, I'll try that one on first.
I don't know how to. Oh, you just have to hit that guy. Well, he's
Oh gosh, be careful, but don't get the shirt.
when he's out of that.
Yeah.
You have to run from him.
Kids, it is
Yeah,
not
you have to run
it is
from
not
him.
good to have knives.
No.
Do not play with a knife.
We have to not play with the knife, kids.
Oh, I love that shirt.
Oh,
Do you
cool.
like that?
Yeah.
Hold on.
So I'll try that on second.
Yep.
Michael, back up a little bit,
I'm
please.
wiping all the dirt off.
There shouldn't be any dirt
This
on
one
it.
has a bag, but
Oh God. All right, put the knife down.
Put the knife down so you don't cut yourself. Do not cut.
right. I have a sweater, very comfy.
Let me see. Oh, I love it. That's a
Oh,
great
let me see.
sweatshirt, huh? Just what you needed, too.
Yeah. Let's move that out of the way. Ugh. I'm moving it away. I can move it.
Hey Michael, does the guy die from throwing fireballs at him?
No.
Michael, how about you?
What?
The other package, Michael.
Want me to?
Michael's attention deprived, apparently.
Alright, and now lastly in the orange kit, I have... I
Careful with
think
the knife. You should get you a scissor instead.
Yeah. Okay, came right out. I love this shirt.
Oh, I do too. That's a good shirt.
Throw the fireball at him.
You got some nice school stuff there. Okay, what else you got?
Come on. Yes, good job, Mom.
And now I have the pants.
Oh, don't cut them, Gabe. Oh no.
Maya, shh.
Alright.
Ooh, those are nice. Very nice.
I'm gonna put the
Michael, you're being
pants
obnoxious.
over here.
Can I see your fidget spinners?
Hold on.
Get lost.
All right, go ahead.
Alright.
Oh, do you like that shirt?
I love it.
I really want to open this.
Got a lot of shirts in there. Well, you have a lot of pants anyway already. That must be another pair of pants.
Yep.
What is it? Oh, I like those.
Got an extra hanger.
Ooh, I really like those.
It says head spinner.
Hand spinner.
Oh, yeah.
Those look like distressed jeans. Those are my
It says
favorite
work
right now.
Class
They're in.
Cold.
made in China.
Yeah, everything's made in China.
Nice.
Almost from North America.
What do you think? What do you think of your Kidbox, Gabe? Before we run out of time here.
Love it.